Hi everyone, Nigel Saunders here. The weather has gotten quite warm today. It's 8 degrees Celsius. It feels really nice outside. So I thought today I would take advantage of the warm weather and fix up the Polyhouse. I have a lot of splits in the plastic that I'm going to use this tuck tape and repair it so it's a little more weatherproof for the winter. Let's head into the greenhouse now. So I'll show you what I'm fixing today. So there's the roof. You can see there's a split there. There's a big one at the back. There's a little tear up top there. So that's what I'll be patching up today. And I'm hoping this summer I get to fixing this Polyhouse up. I'm going to redo the roof and the plastic and make it better. It works, but yeah, it's starting to show its age. So I'm going to fix it up and try and make it even better. All right, I think I'll start with the biggest rip at the back here. So I'll start with just little pieces to hold it together, and then I'll tape it even better, kind of sealing it up. So this tuck tape works really well. It's really strong. So there's another split here I've got to fix. Oh, that sun feels so nice. That's already a lot better. There's another split up here I've got to get to. I may have to turn my ladder around to get back there. Okay, right here. Okay. A bit more up here. Hi, John. You're very busy cleaning yourself, and you're liking the nice warm greenhouse, aren't you? Yeah. Yeah, you've been out all morning. You're gonna ready to have a big nap, I think. Okay, see you later. I've already got a lot of the splits repaired now, and I can already feel it's warmer in the greenhouse here with the sun shining in, without those splits in the plastic. So there's a few more I gotta touch up, but that's about it. It'll get me through the winter now. I've got the roof repaired now. It should be good for the rest of the winter. The next thing I want to do in here is do a bit of cleanup. It's a bit messy in the greenhouse, especially on the floor down here. So I'm going to do a little cleanup, and that way I might be able to fit a few more trees in here for the winter. I've got space in the corner here that's not being used. I did leave my one jade out here, and it got too cold and it died. That's the one that was kind of rotting at the trunk. So yeah, that's too bad, but oh well, things happen. Yeah, the rest of the trees are doing really well. I've put snow on them to kind of water them when it's above freezing. That seems to work quite well. They all seem to be quite well watered. I cleaned out the Polyhouse and fit a lot more trees inside. So you can see now that it's all full of trees around all the benches. I don't put them on the floor because this greenhouse isn't sealed like my glass one and mice could get in here. So I try and keep the trees off the floor. Yeah, it's nice and full in here now. The alleyway's nice and clean, so I can come in here and water them if I need to, put snow on them, keep them happy for the winter. So I was glad to get that done. I've been waiting for a warm day, and finally it came. And now my greenhouse is set for the winter. There we go, sealed up, ready for a cooler night. I have my northern bog forest outside still. All the snow's melted off it. So it's looking more spring-like now, even though there's a hard winter coming, I'm sure. Yeah, so that's the northern bog forest. It's outside still. And when the weather starts getting colder again, I'll bring it into the glass greenhouse on the floor for the winter. My old growth style cedar, you can see all the fungus growing around the base of the tree. Yeah, it's quite interesting. The tree's really healthy. And I think I'll keep it outside for the winter. It doesn't need to come in. They're very hardy, these cedars. So I still have my larch forest outside, my avatar grove. There's a native white pine that's just a disaster. Some of the willows, I think they're hardy. I'm not sure. I might have to bring those in. On this bench I have my sugar maples outside. My silver maples are outside. The one willow. My birthday pine is outside. I've always kept this indoors in the glass greenhouse over winter. This year I'm going to try it outside. It grows well, but it's just very slow growing. So I don't know if it would benefit from a colder winter. I'm not sure. So I'm going to try it outside here for this winter. I've got a few thujas outside here still. Yeah, that's about it. And if it gets really cold, I can bring them in. And Joan's in here. Hi, Joan. Hello. Yes. Aww. You like that bed, don't you? Yes, you do. There is no word on the new Fiat yet, so we've just got Julian's one in the driveway here. But soon it will be joined by a twin car. Should be quite exciting getting that. Just a short video today. I got the Polyhouse fixed up. I got more trees in it. I cleaned it up. And the warm weather will continue tomorrow, so I'm hoping to get out a tropical tree and work on that. That should be kind of fun. So that's all for today. I'm Nigel, Saunders, and Joan. Thanks for joining me in the Bonsai Zone.